Welcome to today's little video on the ERP software suite. More importantly, I'll be talking about the workshop modules and the different features that you can do within this module itself. Services, repairs, specific jobs, and how all of these features are integrated with the appointments module. Before we start, please remember, if you have not watched the main video on all the different areas and modules within the ERP software suite, to please stop this video and watch that one first. It will give you a much better background of each module and also explain how all the modules are integrated. Alright, so let's get started. Your workshop module will be the last module on your list to your left, and within this modules you have your equipment list, your manufacturer list. You can complete your repairs through here or go ahead and add a product or view your product list. We're going to start with the equipment list, and this is just a list of all the equipments within your company used for services, jobs, repairs, and at any point in time these equipments can be allocated to any of your repairs. So if you ever needed to add any new equipment, you can just go ahead and use this button right here at the bottom. And just like all the other lists within the ERP software, you can go ahead and customize however you like the grid to show. So we're going to close out of here. We'll go into our Repairs Express list. We're going to double click on any of these entries, and this takes you to your repairs screen. So this repair was created, and this is the main information attached to the repair. To your left, you'll see a list of all the different tabs, and this covers any and every piece of information you would want to attach to your repairs. So any editing or updates that are associated with this repair, you can go ahead and enter it on these tabs right here. So if you'd like to add some equipment from that equipment list I just showed you, you can do so with the equipment button. If you wanted to go ahead and attach a follow-up, you need to send an employee next Friday to check up on the repair, see how the equipment is doing. Any invoices you complete within this repair, it would be documented here. If you wanted to go ahead and add a timesheet or add hours for any of your employees, it will go ahead and show your details here with the customer and the job, the date which it was completed, and then right here would be your labor cost. Okay. If you wanted to make an appointment for this repair straight from this screen here, you would just go to this appointment button. This takes you to your main calendar. This main calendar shows you your times on your left, all of your reps here. And please remember that if you create someone as an employee, you also have to make them a rep so that their name can be shown on the main calendar screen. So if you want to go to your week mode or your month mode just to see everyone's schedules, and you would just double click on any of the open time slots to create that appointment. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and right here. A great feature about the repairs is that at any point in time, if you have a scheduled appointment for the repair and it takes longer than you scheduled, if you just go to your main calendar and you find that appointment, you double click on it and you open it as an appointment, from here you can see what it was originally scheduled for and what it was the actual time. So if we go ahead and change this to, let's say, till 4, then we click on repair. Okay, and then from here it will take you back to your repairs screen. If you go to the timesheet, it will document that hour. Okay, so it shows that, hey, I worked 2 extra hours, and it will also make sure it calculates it correctly when your rate is per hour. So all this will be documented right here on your repairs list. So it could be done either through the repairs screen or through the main calendar. Another feature that involves repairs is through the appointments modules here, you can go ahead and print an itinerary if you just select your rep. Preview that, and this shows all of the jobs or repairs that they are scheduled to do. It gives you all the information as to the client, any notes, equipment that they need, and any information that you need that employee to see. So that is your appointments modules, and those are all the features that help with the repairs and any extra details that you need. Alrighty, if we go back to our workshop modules and head into our Repairs Express list, go ahead and double click any of these entries. Repairs that involve products. Once this repair is brought out and you need to go ahead and order more, you can use this invoice button right here on your right, and that takes you straight into converting this repair into an invoice. It then takes you to a screen where it just gives you a brief overview of your inventory, and you can go ahead and order which ones you need and which you don't. So we're going to go ahead and order the 2 that are low on the quantity list. We can create that smart order. Okay, so your smart order is created. takes you straight to your invoice. So right here you see what's ordered, what has been shipped, and if you go ahead and save that, then your invoice is created. Back to the repairs card, it will take you, and if you go here on your left to invoices, it documents the invoice that we just did. So any transactions that you do through the repairs screen, it is all documented here, and then also of course in your invoice list and your sales order list. Please remember, this is a very brief and basic overview of the repairs and the workshop modules. If you ever want more information, please give the girls and guys a call at ERP, and they'll be more than happy to come on site and give you a presentation, or you can always set up an online demo. Thanks so much and have a great day.